So, good morning, one and all. In this lecture video, we are just going to discuss about the topic called as the three I's in virtual reality, which I'm currently handling for the final year open elective classes. And we are just going to see this topic from the unit 3. And in the last video, we discussed about what is collaborative augmented reality and how it will be useful for the trainers. And we saw certain applications on virtual reality too, where we are actually used in real-time sectors. Say, for example, it might be home home decorations and education sector and medical sector and medical field, how it is mainly used for the how it is mainly helping for the doctors for prior to the surgeon. And in today's video we are just going to see about the three I's in virtual reality. So let me discuss about the three I's of virtual reality. So what are all the three I's if you see, like the first thing is immersion, and second one is interaction, and the third one is imagination. So let me explain you with the real-time scenario so that you can easily understand what is immersion, interaction, and imagination. You people all know like what is the purpose of virtual reality and how it came to prominent and how we have learned before how we were before this virtual reality came to this prominent. So let me discuss about what is immersion first. Immersion is nothing but to say the exact meaning, immersion is actually the sense. Say for example, if it is a virtual reality, we will be speaking about real world and digital world. We are actually in a real world, but you will be having a feel like you are present in the virtual world. Say for example, if you are in India and you need to know about the pyramid, and you have to be feel or you have to be immersed in the pyramid, means say for example if it is in Egypt, with the help of this virtual reality we can implement this. The say for example the students are learning in the class, they are learning about Egypt pyramid. So this, with the help of this virtual reality, the students can immerse them into the uh, virtual world, but the presence will be in the real world. Say for example they can be they will be in the standing in the behind the pyramid or in front of the pyramid. So likewise the VR will be very much useful for these kind of activities. Mainly in education sectors it will be useful. And the next I is called as interaction. So immersion is nothing but, as I told, it is sense. You can feel like you are in that, exactly you are in that particular place. And what is interaction? Interaction means with the help of this hand gestures, with the help of this hand glove, we have seen in the previous video about what is like mm, what are all the components we are using for VR. We are speaking about what is virtual reality, but actual components are called as, we will be having head mounted device, and we will be having a hand glove, and we need some sensors to accomplish this particular task. So likewise, to interact with that particular virtual world, we need the components as head mounted display, and as I said, sensor we need, and the third one is called as hand glove. So with the help of this, you may feel like you can just pick the object in that particular pyramid. Some ancient objects will be presented over there. So with the help of this, you can help of the hand glove, you can pick the particular object, and you can feel like you are just exactly touching that particular object. So some natural gestures and movements you can accomplish with the help of this interaction. And the next thing is called as imagination. Imagination is nothing but you can have a feel like you can just move around the particular places. You can sense like you can hearing some noises of like the what to say, like the cart is moving. So that is called as imagination. And one more example I can say for imagination is imagination, like you are purchasing you are sitting in a home and you are purchasing, you want to purchase or you want to view a sari from the shop. So sitting at home, it is easily you can select your brand, and you can just pick the particular sari you want. You can choose the color, exactly how you are going to the shop and you are buying the sari. The same feeling you can get through this imagination. So you can easily, the business will also be run, the brand will be improved, and you can also be relaxed at home, and you can also purchase. And one more example for immersion is, as we all know, been working in the simulator. Say, for example, if you want to become a pilot, and any trainer, they won't directly pick you and put in you on a plane, and they will start giving you train. So this won't be happen anywhere. So with the help of VR technology, this has been accomplished like uh, you are in a real world, and you may feel like you're flying in the plane. So the simulators mainly they are using what these kind of head mounted display. The man, if you see in the image, the man is wearing the display and head mounted display, and you may have a sense like you're sitting in the plane. So this is the best example for immersion. And the next, I don't like about interactions, like we are just using natural gestures, voice commands you can use, and gaze control will be there. With the help of this hand glove, you can accomplish this task, and some physical movement or actions you have to do. And I already discussed about what is virtual shopping. So sitting at home, you can buy whatever products you like. In You can move your thing. The shop can be viewed from here itself. You can move the angle 360-degree, and then you can start purchasing the items. And the next thing is imagination. As I said, imagination can be accomplished. I can give you a better example for imagination, as the doctor is going to do some operation. Prior to that operation, he may have an imagination like, okay, my operation will be moving in this direction. So, with the help of this VR technology, he can view in depth of how to continue this uh, or finish it as in a successful way. So, VR is mainly predominantly used in this healthcare domain. So that is we will be seeing in the imagination part. So these three works together. These three eyes are the main thing in virtual reality. And how the previous in the early VR innovation, what all the highlighting thing we are going to see here is in 1987 they are using this VPL's data glove, and which mainly focus on only interaction. And in late 90s they are using they had used iPhone HMDs, that is head mounted display, which has been mainly used for immersion. And at the last thing is we have creative applications era, where the medical field, uh, for the architectural visualization problem, they have been used this, and they also mainly focused on imagination. So these are all the real-time examples which I discussed in the previous slides. how it is used in the business, and how the future VR will be in the evaluation. It is booming in the educational field, and we for the work transformation. If you want to give some training to the trainees, you can accomplish this with the help of this VR, and we need some social evaluation. So how the human can connect, and you can share your experience based on using this VR.